like, subscribe, and share. Flammable work areas are filled with hazardous elements and unforeseen dangers that can compromise the safety of workers in the surrounding location. To improve safety in such combustible areas, strobe lights are widely used by businesses to provide visual notification of nearby obstructions, zones, operations, and activities. Unlike audio-based warnings that can easily be overpowered by loud equipment or operations, strobe lights are highly effective around large machines and can be seen at far distances. Larson Electronics offers ATEX and IECEx rated explosion-proof LED strobe lights for international use. These energy-efficient units are IP66 waterproof rated and are approved for Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 21, and Zone 22 sites. Available in 10 watts or 15 watts, customers can choose from a selection of colors and light patterns. Voltage options include 120 volt, 230 volt, 12 volt, 24 volt, and more. The solid-state strobe lights in this series are protected by die-cast aluminum housings with an epoxy resin powder finish for durability in flammable locations. These surface mount units are recommended for warning or notification systems in hazardous locations, outdoor sites, aviation, manufacturing, military, oil and gas, refineries, and more. Please like, subscribe, and share. To check out our complete selection of UV sanitation and disinfection products, visit Larson Electronics today. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.